Well, I am a student of the University of the West Indies and I'm currently in my final year doing a bachelor degree in chemistry with education. So that's basically it, a student and a straw maker. That's
Well, the straw maker part is why we're here. So we
right.
want to hear more about that part of your life.
No problem at all.
So how did you get into making all of these craft items with straw?
Well, that is a very good question, and basically, a lot of persons who ask questions about the whole straw making thing, they ask that question. And truth and in fact, it's a family thing, and it has been in the generation. Like I grew up seeing it, and I just see my parents doing it, sisters, brothers doing it, so I just take it on also. So I learn it from them.
Okay.
Mhm.
Could you tell us, in terms of it being a family thing, yes, but
Mhm.
what relevance does it have for you present? Because that's how we got a hold of you. We saw some items and we were pretty intrigued. So
Mhm.
in the present, how is that relevant to you?
Alright, so basically, what I am seeing is that the family straw making as a part of the tradition, it is like declining. I'm not seeing a lot of persons in the family doing it or like overall. So I realized that I can make it a lucrative business. I can make something of it. And meanwhile, keeping it as a tradition and making something of it, I decided to go on with it and expand it further on. So I want to keep it going.
Okay.
Mhm.
Describe for us some of the items that you have made. Well, even before that,
Mhm.
you said that it's a case where it's coming in your family line, so you've been
Mhm.
making it from you were a child.
From a
Do you
child.
remember the very first thing you made?
So normally, who start the persons who start just like they start making things, they will like make them like a coaster, like a little coaster, or maybe a little bread tray, or a little handbag. The base of the handbag, we will like make that. We cannot go any further than that.
But
So
over time,
over
you
time.
get the skill to improve.
Improve.
So tell us about some of the items that you have been making.
All right, so currently, I have been making a lot of items, but let me just narrow it down. Bread trays, bowls, handbags, um, clothes baskets, designs on the hats. What else? Food, like the trays to carry food. Um, Right. No, I said bowls already. Coasters. I'm making coasters, and I can't remember anything right now, but basically I go by a tagline that you just come with your idea and I will just craft it for you.
Okay.
Yes.
What do your peers think of your crafting?
Well, my circle is very small, so they like it.
Okay.
They like it and they're very encouraging because they helped me to come up with a promotion group. And initially, I thought of it as a way of like helping each other out, but they said, no, you just start out your thing, man. We will help you. So they will help me to post my things on social medias and like they take orders from me also. So they are very supportive and they saw the talent and they say you can't just sit on the talent, utilize it and we will help you out. So that is it.
Okay.
Mhm.
You are in your fourth year, so I'm guessing that your age is maybe somewhere under 25 still?
24, 25 is this September coming.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Just wanted to get an age range
Yeah.
because of the next question that I'm going to ask.
Hmm.
If you have persons who are in your age range, because your age range as a young man
Hmm.
would be, more inclined to be out there having fun, whatever the case may
Hmm.
be. But persons in your age
Hmm.
range who want to find something that they're good at, just
Hmm.
like your craft,
Hmm.
to expand into, to maximize, to use,
Mhm.
what words of advice or encouragement would you give to them?
All right, so it's pretty simple because everybody, like basically who I know around this age, they have a passion for something, but the drive or maybe the commitment towards it, that is where they lack that part of it. So when you see a person my age and they have that ability to do it, the only thing you can do is encourage that person. You can encourage that person and just find that drive, find that common niche, find that, that motivating factor in you that, can propel you to go on to do what you can do. Because really and truly, this craft thing, it started with friends seeing the talent and seeing where it can go. So if it was not for them, I might not be doing craft right now because I was focusing more on the chemistry side, the academic side. But they seeing it, they help it. So I can say the same for someone else who want to go on to do what they can do. Whether you want to do carpentry, whether you want to do, maybe you're good on football or so, put your mind to it. Just focus on it.
Thank you, Shane. But do you have any last words for us? Anything at all that you want to add
All right.
to the discussion?
All right. What I realize in the society overall is that people want to do things. People want to go far with what they believe in, but the society have this stigma, or the society has some kind of downfalling factor on a person's life that make them not want to pursue what they want in life. Because I might come to you with a plan, and instead of you might encouraging or giving your feedback, you instantly turn it down. So you have that fear factor in the society that leads person not wanting to pursue in what they want in life. So what I want to tell people out there is that you have to start small to grow and to make it big. So you having that small plan that you have, maximize on it, build on it, grow from it, seek the relevant persons who can help you in that field, do your research, and you can make it with it. So just grow with what you have, and that's it.
Thank you so much, Shane.
No problem at all.
We were glad that we found you, and we're sure that we're going to be getting some of your goodies. But this is not the last that we'll be.
I hope so.
Thank you.